Lucy Dude here, and today we're going to be fidget spinner reacting to, my dog reacting to fidget spinner. And I'm gonna put it up to her and see what she reacts to. So let's see what happens. I mean, she's like, what's going on? Look. It seems like she does not like to lick it. I mean, she would probably like if this is just sitting around. She's big enough to bite one of the bearings and she can chew on that. But since it was spinning and it was really close up to her, she probably could not bite it. So, yeah, that is a video today. So, see you guys next time. Lucy Dude. Bye.